Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Matt's Tech TV. So, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a £500 gaming PC, which is roughly $620 for October 2019. So, let's get going with it. So, first off, CPU. I've gone for the AMD Ryzen 5 2600X. Now, the reason why I've gone for this is because I think he'll be pretty good as the what's it called? It's got why doesn't it say? But anyway, it has got a clock speed of 3.6 gigahertz, I think, with a max boost of 4 gigahertz. I'm not too sure on that, but it's got 6 cores, which is ridiculously good nowadays. So yeah, right, and for that we need a motherboard that matches the socket. So I've gone for that ASRock ATX motherboard. This is the B450 Pro 4. It supports for DDR4 RAM. It's quite cheap. AM4 socket. It supports water cooling, so it's good. Right, next, RAM. I've gone for the Patriot Memory Viper Steel series, 16 gig kit. Okay, it's 2 sticks of 8 gigs. It's DDR4 because it has to be for the motherboard. And it's pretty reasonably priced. Right, next we have the graphics card. So I've gone for the Gigabyte GTX 1050 overclocked series. It's only got 2 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory, but it's a powerful card at a pretty cheap price. So storage, we've got a Western Digital Blue drive. It's 1 terabyte. It's enough for the operating system and a lot of games or whatever you're doing. Well, obviously we need something to power it. And 400 watts is more than enough. So I've gone for the GameMax GP400A 80 plus bronze. It's power supply. It's only 30 quid. It's pretty cheap. I mean, there's not much to say about power supply. It does what it needs to do. So, to hold it all in, we need a pretty slick looking case. So, I've gone for the GameMax Century PC Gaming Case Matrix. Okay, it's only 30 quid, which is again pretty good for a case, especially the fact that it has a side panel that you can actually see through, so you can see the mightiness of the inside. And it looks pretty good, to be fair. So that comes to a total of I think it's like £500 and 41p, so it's pretty good. That'll get you really good performance. It's definitely better than a console. So yeah, the links to all of these components are going to be in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped you out. See you all next time. Goodbye.